Okay. Okay, good morning student once again. So today I'll be teaching you all on this CPR, okay? So CPR. So on my last class, on my last practical class, what we were discussing about resuscitation. Nah? So I have explained you all about the introductions of resuscitation and all, mouth to mouth resuscitation, mouth to nose resuscitation, all those I have explained to you all. So today I will be explaining you all on CPR. So uska full form kya tha? मैं बार बार पूछती हूँ जब भी मैं सीपीआर का बारे में बोलती हूँ, सीपीआर का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
मैम सीपीआर।
यस, सीपीआर,
कार्डियोपल्मोनरी रिससिटेशन।
वेरी गुड वीरवाश्री, इट्स cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay, this is very very important. So let me show you all the slides. So okay, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay. ये cardiopulmonary resuscitation is what? This cardiopulmonary resuscitation, there is CPR. It is a technique. Okay. It is one kind of technique. It is one kind of technique of life support. Okay, of basic life support for oxygenating the brain and heart until appropriate or definitive medical treatment can restore normal heart and ventilatory action. ये जो CPR है ना, it is one kind of technique where externally heart compression is given. Okay, so externally heart compression दिया जाता है. Okay, in order to bring back the oxygen level. Okay, when someone breathing pattern is so when someone breathing pattern stop, okay, at that time we use this process, that is CPR. So let us see the definition or the introduction. The use of artificial ventilation when external heart compression, okay, with external heart compression is called cardiopulmonary resuscitation. And this should be started in all cases of cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest का मतलब है sudden death, जिसका heart beat stop हो जाता है, हाँ suddenly जिसका heart beat stop हो जाता है. So that we call it as sudden death. तो उन लोगों को CPR दिया जाता है. Okay. And the other definition is CPR is one kind of technique of basic life support for oxygenating the brain. हमारा ब्रेन को ऑक्सीजन देने के लिए और हार्ट को देने के लिए until it is appropriate. जब तक appropriate नहीं होगा ना, तब तक CPR देते रहेगा. And definitive medical treatment can restore normal heart and ventilatory action. So कुछ medical treatment भी होता है that can restore normal heart as well as ventilatory action. This is all about the introductions. So now let us discuss the next point, that is purpose of CPR. So purpose of CPR, purpose का मतलब क्या है? What is purpose? Shilona, what is purpose? What is purpose? Purpose of CPR. Shilona, purpose of CPR क्या है?
To help to secure the breath, ma'am, in human.
Okay, Palo, thank you. Okay. Shilona, can you please describe what is the purpose of CPR? Purpose?
Listen.
What?
This is an emergency procedure that can save.
Now means like purpose of CPR का मतलब क्या है? जैसे कि अगर मैं बोलूंगी कि treatment of, अगर मैंने ऐसा लिखा कि treatment of CPR, so the answer will be how will you treat or how will you manage this one, na? How will you manage the CPR? Yeah, how will you manage the CPR or whatever it is? So in the same way, what is the purpose of CPR? So the purpose of CPR का मतलब है ना कि हम लोग CPR क्यों देते हैं? What is the use of this CPR and what is the aim, or हम क्यों सीपीआर देना चाहिए, उसका पर्पस क्या है, दैट इज द मीनिंग. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड पर्पस. सो हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ सीपीआर, क्यों सीपीआर देना चाहिए. टू मेंटेन एन ओपन एंड क्लियर एयरवे. ए बी सी आई हैव रिटन. ए में एयरवे आता है. ओके. तो बी में ब्रीदिंग आता है और सी में सर्कुलेशन आता है. ओके. ए बी सी एयरवे, ब्रीदिंग एंड सर्कुलेशन आता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आवर पर्पस, ओके, हमारा जो पर्पस है, हमारा जो एम है, दैट शुड बी टू मेंटेन एन ओपन एंड क्लियर एयरवे. एयरवे को ओपन करना या फिर एयरवे में अब अगर कुछ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन हुआ, ओके, या फिर कुछ स्पाज्म हुआ तो उसको क्लियर करने का कोशिश करेंगे. वी विल ट्राई टू ओपन एंड क्लियर द एयरवे इफ देयर इज एनी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन प्रेजेंट. दैट इज द फर्स्ट पर्पस. आर यू क्लियर व्हाई वी नीड टू गिव सीपीआर? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, B. B से थोड़ा टेक्निक लगाओ. हाँ, next is B. B का मतलब breathing. So to maintain breathing by artificial ventilation. तो हम CPR क्यों देगा? क्योंकि हम breathing को maintain करना चाहते हैं और आर्टिफिशियल वेंटिलेशन देखिए. ओके. आर्टिफिशियल वेंटिलेशन का मतलब जो बाहर से जो हम रेस्पिरेशन जो देते हैं ना, लाइक mouth to mouth respiration or mouth to nose or whatever technique is available. Okay, we can maintain the breathing. Understand? जब कोई सांस नहीं ले पाते तो हम लोग उसको सांस देने का कोशिश करते हैं ना, mouth to mouth resuscitation or mouth to nose or जो भी है, we used to try to maintain. So this is what our next purpose it should be. And next is circulation. तो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन तो सबने सुना. टू मेंटेन ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बाय एक्सटर्नल कार्डियक मसल्स. जो हमारा कार्डियक ना, कार्डियक का मतलब हार्ट है. एक्सटर्नली इफ वी गिव एक्सटर्नल कार्डियक मसाज, दैट इज मसाज टू आवर हार्ट, ओके, देन वी कैन मेंटेन ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट purpose. That is the next purpose of CPR. And next is CPR क्यों देना है? In order to save life of the patient. Patient का जो life है ना, पेशेंट का लाइफ हम उसको बचाना चाहते हैं. टू सेव द लाइफ ऑफ द पेशेंट. नेक्स्ट इज टू प्रोवाइड बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट टिल मेडिकल एंड एडवांस लाइफ सपोर्ट अराइव. जैसे कि कोई एक्सीडेंट हुआ सामने में और हेल्थ फैसिलिटी और हॉस्पिटल नियर बाय हॉस्पिटल नहीं है, लेकिन उसका अच्छी तरह वो सांस नहीं ले पा रहा है. Okay, then he could not take breath like normally. Okay, he find difficult in taking breath or whatever it is, or his breathing stop. Okay, so in that case, before the life support arrives, there is ambulance or whatever it is, before it arrives, we try to provide this care. Okay, that is CPR, that is basic life support. We try to give this. So these are the 5 purpose of CPR. So let me repeat. First तो airway था, उसमें हम airway का open या फिर clear करने का कोशिश करेंगे. We will try to open and clear the airway. The next is we will try to maintain the breathing with the help of artificial ventilation. For example, mouth to nose, whatever it is. Next is we will try to maintain the blood circulation. How we will maintain the blood circulation? By giving external cardiac massage. Heart को massage देना है externally. And then to secure देना चाहिए CPR to save the life of the patient. Next is to provide basic life support till medical and advanced life support arrives. So are you clear the purpose of CPR? Meaning समझ में आया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So अभी हमने definition तो पढ़ लिया.
Yes,
We have studied ना definition. What is CPR का मतलब क्या है? मैंने स्लाइड दिखाया, एक्सप्लेन किया. उसके बाद हम CPR क्यों देना चाहिए, पर्पस, हमारा एम क्या है, तो वो भी हो गया. अभी हम फिर से हम देखते हैं कि इंडिकेशन फॉर CPR. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंडिकेशन फॉर CPR? इंडिकेशन, एनी आइडिया, एनीवन? पर्पस तो पता चल गया ना. पर्पस का मतलब हम क्यों देना चाहिए, हमारा एम क्या है. What is indication? Indication for CPR. Any idea? Any idea?
Ma'am, indication means alert.
Gayatri, what did you say?
Ma'am, sign and symptoms.
Okay, sign and symptoms. Okay, what about others? Indication for CPR? Diptanu Das. Diptanu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the indication for CPR? Means indication का मतलब क्या है इसका? पर्पस में तो पता है ना, एम हमारा एम क्या होगा, हम क्यों सीपीआर, तुम सीपीआर किसी को दे रहा है तो उसका मतलब तुम उसको क्यों दे रहा है, दैट वाज द पर्पस. व्हाट इज नाउ, व्हाट इज द इंडिकेशन फॉर सीपीआर, मतलब क्या है?
To save the make to control or to help the human in breath, ma'am.
Okay, indication for CPR, indication for CPR means na, हम like indication means to whom we are planning to give indication for CPR. Understand all of you? किन लोगों को
Yes,
CPR,
ma'am.
किन लोगों को CPR देना चाहिए? Indication for CPR. So let us see cardiac arrest. तो cardiac arrest का मीनिंग क्या है? Cardiac arrest थोड़ा देर पहले ही मैंने बोला था. अरे मैं थोड़ा देर पहले ही मैंने स्लाइड भी दिखाया.
To those who have difficult in breath, ma'am.
Cardiac arrest का
To
मतलब?
secure the life, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? What about others? So, okay, cardiac दिखाती हूँ मैं. I already gave you all ना, थोड़ा देर पहले मैंने दिखाया था. ये क्या है? रुको.
Ma'am, unexpected loss.
ये क्या है? मैंने जो स्लाइड दिखाया था, कार्डियक अरेस्ट, ये क्या है?
Loss of heart function.
ये क्या है?
Sudden death.
Then I explain now. That's why I'm asking. So indication for CPR. Let us see. Cardiac arrest, na? So cardiac arrest. So the patient with cardiac arrest, these are the patients that you need to give CPR. So cardiac arrest, जैसे कि ventricular fibrillation. Do you have any idea what is ventricular fibrillation? If no, I'll explain right now.
No, ma'am.
Okay, write down.
No, ma'am.
Write down the meaning. Ventricular fibrillation का मतलब है, it is a type of arrhythmia. लिखो, जल्दी लिखो. It is a type of arrhythmia. A-R-R-H-Y-T-H-M-I-A. A-R-R-H-Y-T-H-M-I-A. It is a type of arrhythmia, comma, or irregular heartbeat. Or irregular heartbeat. That affects heart ventricles. That affects heart ventricles, or that affects your heart ventricle. You can write like that also. That affect heart ventricles. Can you follow me? Do you want me to repeat, or you can follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me repeat one more time. Ventricular fibrillation, it is a type of arrhythmia, comma, or irregular heartbeat that affect heart ventricles. Okay. The ventricular fibrillation, ये VF short form में लिखना, VF. V stand for ventricular, F for fibrillation. इसका मतलब है कि it is a type of arrhythmia, okay, जहाँ पे irregular heartbeat होता है. There used to be a irregular heartbeat that affects our heart ventricles. तो ऐसा problem होने से like we give CPR. Okay. Are you clear? It
Yes,
can also be a life-threatening, and it used to require immediate medical attention. Okay, it can be a life-threatening. So immediate medical attention or medical treatment is very, very much necessary to all these patients. Okay. Okay. Next is ventricular tachycardia. Any idea what is ventricular tachycardia? Any idea? Ventricular tachycardia. Birwashri, any idea?
No, ma'am.
You can write down, all of you. Ventricular tachycardia, in short, you write VT. It is a fast, abnormal heart rate. It is a fast, 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 abnormal heart rate. Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, that is the meaning of ventricular tachycardia. Okay. And ventricular, there is a difference between ventricular fibrillation and ventricular tachycardia. In ventricular fibrillation, it was a type of arrhythmia, right? Where there is a irregular heartbeat that mainly affect our heart ventricles. Lekin ventricular tachycardia kya tha? It is the heart rate will be irregular and it will be very fast. Okay, that is known as ventricular tachycardia. Now, what is asystole? Gayatri, what is asystole? Asystole, any idea? Okay, write down, all of you. What is asystole? Asystole is when there is no electricity or movement in your heart. Is when there is no electricity or movement in your heart. Finish?
Yes,
Finish?
ma'am.
Okay. It is also known as flatline. 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 तो आई थिंक ये सब तो तुम लोगों ने फिल्म में भी देखा होगा. जब एक मशीन होता है ना, इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम मशीन बोल के मशीन होता है ना, तो उस मशीन में जब ये हार्ट रेट, जब हार्ट का रिदम चेक करते हैं ना, उस इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम मशीन में हार्ट का रिदम चेक करते, और वो जो उसका हार्ट रिदम जो लाइन है ना, जो ईसीजी का जो लाइन है, अगर फ्लैट में आ जाता है और साउंड दे देता है ना, देन तब इंसान का हार्ट बीट और नहीं है, हार्ट बीट बंद हो जाता है. ओके, that time they also consider that it is a sudden death or whatever it is they used to consider. फिल्म में भी देखा होगा, जब इंसान मर जाते हैं तो वो मशीन दिखाई देता है ना, पूरा फ्लैट लाइन में चला जाता है उसका जो रिदम. Are you clear now what is asystole?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is pulseless electrical activity. Pulseless electrical activity. Okay. So pulseless electrical activity. What is pulseless electrical activity? Pulseless electrical activity. Pulseless electrical activity. Any idea? Any idea what is pulseless electrical activity? We also, in short, also you can write PEA. लिख लो PEA. PEA capital letter में लिख लो. P stand for pulseless, E stand for electrical, S stand for activity. Ines?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This PEA ना, it is always caused by this profound cardiovascular insult. जैसे कि when there is a severe prolonged hypoxia or acidosis, okay, or extreme hypovolemia, all those things. You know now what is hypoxia and all? Hypoxia. You know what is hypoxia? HYPOXIA. Yes or no? Yes or no? Should you know what is hypoxia? If you don't know, I'll ask Smita. Hypoxia.
Hypoxia.
If you don't know, I'll ask Smita. Shall I ask Smita?
Hypoxia, right, ma'am?
Yes. HYPOXIA.
In absence of oxygen.
Sense of okay. Okay. Smita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct? Hypoxia meaning?
Yes, ma'am. Absence of oxygen.
Yes, it is
Enough oxygen.
Yes, it is an absence of oxygen. Very good. So those who like want to write down, also you can write down. Though some people might forget the meaning, na? So you can write it down. So in the same way, this pulseless electrical activity, uska naam se hi, like try to catch up. Pulseless electrical activity. Okay, sometimes it is also known as electromechanical dissociation bhi bolti hai. Okay, it is one kind of clinical condition which is characterized by unresponsiveness and impalpable pulse. Okay, impalpable pulse in the presence of sufficient electrical discharge means sharir pe there will be sufficient amount of electrical activities or electrical discharge. Okay, but जो pulse है ना, the pulse will be impalpable. Pulseless means what? It is impalpable. The pulse is not responsive. Okay, when you try to feel the pulse, you cannot feel the pulse. Okay, that is why we call it as pulseless. लेकिन electrical discharge हो गया, electrical discharge or electrical activity होगा, उसके बावजूद भी like you can't feel the pulse. That is known as pulseless. Are you clear what is the meaning of pulseless? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah, there are 9 sides of taking. There are 9 sides of taking pulse. So try to palpate your pulse. You when someone is in cardiac arrest, try to palpate the pulse. You won't be able to feel the pulse because he is in a sudden death. Na? His pulse cannot be felt anymore. Na? So he's beside having the sufficient amount of electrical discharge, like his pulse will be impalpable. So that is the conditions. Okay, if someone is suffering from all this kind of condition, there is ventricular fibrillation, ventricular tachycardia, asystole, pulses, electrical activity, then he is considered to be in a cardiac arrest stage. So these kind of patients are considered to be given this CPR. Are you clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, किसको CPR देना चाहिए अभी पता चला? Costa?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, okay. Gayatri, please take attendance, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. नेक्स्ट कार्डियक अरेस्ट के साथ साथ दूसरा इंडिकेशन भी होता है, उसका हेडिंग लिखो रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट। पहले वाला कार्डियक अरेस्ट था ना, अभी रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट होगा। तो ये रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट ये जो है ना, ये रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट कैसे होता है? रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट जैसे कि दिस मे बी द रिजल्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग व्हाइल ड्राउनिंग। तो ड्राउनिंग का टाइम पे रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट हो सकता है। व्हेन समवन इज ऑन स्ट्रोक रेस्पिरेटरी हो सकता है, तो मींस रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट। तो ड्राउनिंग होने का टाइम पे ना, जब किसी इंसान ड्राउनिंग में हो जाता है तो लाइक रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट में चला जाता है, तो in that case we used to give CPR। तो जब कोई स्ट्रोक कंडीशन में होता है, स्ट्रोक स्टेज में होता है, and then it led to respiratory arrest, okay, तब भी we give CPR। और foreign body in the throat, sometimes there is a foreign body in the throat ना, तो foreign body कुछ particles कुछ foreign body throat में हो जाता है, that cause obstruction or that cause blockage, okay। So because of the foreign body present in the throat that led to respiratory arrest, तो उन लोगों को भी CPR दिया जाता है। In the same way, smoke inhalation, so sometimes there are certain smokes that is available in the environment ना, so वो सब अगर हम smoke ganda smoke या फिर like that, the smoke that are very harmful for our body, okay, when we inhale all those smoke, it can lead to respiratory arrest, okay। So in that condition also we give CPR. So and the other is electrocutions or injury by light. There are some conditions where you can get injury by the light, okay। लाइट का वजह से भी इंजरी होता है, so and that can ultimately lead to respiratory arrest, तो उन लोगों को भी CPR दिया जाता है। And suffocation, so what is suffocation? Gayatri, what is suffocation?
Miss, unable to breathe.
Yes, very good. So suffocation means like पूरा दरवाजा बंद है, वेंटिलेशन भी नहीं है, सांस लेने में इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना, लाइक वेंटिलेशन भी नहीं, कुछ एयर भी बाहर से नहीं आ रहा है, तो एक रूम में बंद है, तो वो पूरा सफोकेशन हो जाएगा ना, वी विल फाइंड डिफिकल्ट इन ब्रीदिंग। तो ऐसा कंडीशन में अगर कोई इंसान होने से लाइक देयर इज चांसेस ऑफ डेवलपिंग रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट, तो ये कंडीशन में होने से तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा ना सांस लेने में, एट दैट टाइम वी गिव CPR। एंड देन व्हेन समवन इज इन एक्सीडेंट और इंजरी, उसका वजह से रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट हुआ तो you give CPR। and there is another condition, that is coma or coma means a long period of unconsciousness, for the long period of time, prolonged period of time में unconscious होगा, okay। So in that conditions the person may lead to cardiac respiratory arrest, so we prefer to give this CPR। and epiglottis paralysis, and if there is paralysis in your epiglottis, then it can lead to respiratory arrest. In this condition also we give CPR. So what is epiglottis? So you can write the meaning of this also, okay? Electrocution. Some people might not know. You just write an electrocution ka matlab likho. It is a death or severe injury by electric shock. It is a death or severe injury by electric shock, comma, electric current passing through the body. Electric current passing through the body. तो जब electric shock होता है ना, तब that is injury by light we call. So electric shock जब होता है तब भी like कोई सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होता है, रेस्पिरेटरी अरेस्ट में चला जाता, और तब हम लोग CPR देते हैं। ये CPR टेक्निक यूज करके उसको like ठीक करने का कोशिश करते हैं। We try to regain back the we give the basic life support, okay, by giving CPR when someone is having severe injury by electric shock. That means when the electric current is passed over his body. Are you clear, all of you? किस को
Yes, ma'am.
CPR देना चाहिए? पता चला अभी? Whom do we need to give CPR? Are you clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me what is epiglottis? Paralysis तो सबको पता है. What is epiglottis?
To paralyze our
Epiglottis का मतलब बोलो. Epiglottis.
Tissue entrance to the trachea.
Okay, write down, all of you. Epiglottis. The flap, F-L-A-P. Write down. The flap that covers the trachea during swallowing. The flap, write down, okay? F-L-A-P. The flap that covers the trachea during swallowing, comma, so that the food does not enter the lungs. So that food does not enter the lungs. And it used to be present upon the tongue, okay? You can also see your epiglottis from the mirror. Mirror में देख के भी दिखाई देता है epiglottis. It is present upon our tongue, okay? Are you clear now, all of you? Or you can simply define like this. Now, epiglottis means it is a very small. It is very small, tiny. Okay, it is movable. It can move. ऐसा हिलता है. Okay, it is a small, movable. It is present just above the larynx. Okay, just above the larynx or tongue or whatever it is. Just above the larynx. And ये क्या करता है? It used to prevent the food and drink. Okay, from entering into the this windpipe. All this like this also you can know. तो जो हमारा जो epiglottis है ना, उसमें अगर paralysis हुआ तो we will face so much of problem and it can ultimately lead to respiratory arrest. Okay, तो ये condition में होने से CPR दिया जाता है. Are you clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we have discussed about the CPR, the definition. CPR का मतलब क्या है? It is the external heart compression. Okay, जो बाहर से जो हम compression जो press करके compression देते हैं, बाद में technique सिखाऊंगी मैं. अभी उसका meaning, like try to know the meaning. Okay, or definition पढ़ा. उसके बाद we have studied about the purposes of CPR. Like CPR हम क्यों देना चाहिए? What is the aims of CPR? और दूसरा indication of CPR, that is cardiac arrest. हम किन लोगों को CPR दिया जाता है? Indication. Okay. और उसके बाद that is we find cardiac arrest. उसका under में all this we get, and then again we got respiratory arrest. So these are the condition. If someone is suffering from this condition, we have to give CPR. Are you clear now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send you all the notes, okay? The PDF. Please write down. Okay, then thank you everyone. That's all for today class. Okay, have a nice day.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.